Maintaining the correct temperature in the GE Profile PFE28KYNFS refrigerator is essential for preserving food freshness and preventing spoilage. This refrigerator features a digital control system that allows you to precisely adjust the temperature for both the refrigerator and freezer compartments. Proper temperature settings help keep dairy, produce, and frozen foods stored safely while also improving the appliance's energy efficiency. With a few quick adjustments on the control panel, you can optimize the cooling performance for everyday use. Step 1. Locate the digital temperature control panel inside the refrigerator or on the dispenser display. Step 2. Press the fridge temperature button to view the current cooling setting. Step 3. Adjust the refrigerator temperature using the plus or controls, ideally setting it around 37 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Press the freezer temperature button and adjust it to approximately 0 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 18 degrees Celsius for optimal freezing. Step 5. Allow the refrigerator several hours to stabilize at the new temperature settings before checking the results.